Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Steve, and this is Misfit DIY. So today's episode is going to be slightly different than I would normally do. A few days ago, a good friend of mine saw my video on the shot glass holder and asked if I could make a really small barrel for him. He smokes a pipe, and he was wondering if I could make a pipe for him. I thought, well, what the heck? I've never done that before. I've never done wood turning or anything like that. So this whole thing is going to be an experiment from the get-go. I bought one of these really cheap Woolcraft tabletop little lathes that you use for a drill. I'm going to try it out for the first time. I've had it for about 10-15 years. And I'm going to edit this one a little bit different. I'm going to make it more theatrical. Hopefully you like it. It's just a whole different process, and I'm trying out something, and I like video editing, so this is going to be a learning experience for me. Hopefully you enjoy it as much as I do, but the video itself isn't going to be much of a how-to video. It's going to be more of just a showing video. Not much talking. Actually, I probably won't even talk at all during the video. So hopefully you like that. Hopefully you can still pick up what I'm doing. If you liked the wood turning part of it, just let me know, and then maybe I'll do some more wood turning videos. But this is going to be the first time for me. I'm going to take you with me. I mean, truly, I have never wood turned before. I've watched it. I've watched a lot of it. Throughout the years, I've always wanted a lathe, but never bought one. So hopefully this is the beginning of a new road that I'll head down, and actually the wife will probably kick my butt if she hears that I want a lathe, so we'll just keep this on the down low. So sit back, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you at the end. Well, what do you think? For my first time ever doing any lathe work whatsoever, and actually I think it turned out rather well. I'm impressed. I impressed myself. I think he'll get a kick out of this. You know, it's about the same size as his corn cob pipe. I'm sure there's much easier ways to do what I did with all the burning and the lines and everything. If there is, please leave me a comment. Hopefully you liked the way that this video was. I've always wanted to make a video like that. So not only am I doing woodworking and turning or laser engraving, but I'm trying to get better at video editing. So that's why this video was done in the way that it was done, with a little more music in it. Just trying to make it theatrical, because later on down the road I want to do like a bigger one. But this was sort of a test for me, and for whether or not other people liked it, I'm not sure. But please, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. It's different, and I like that. I like to change it up and not keep doing the same thing over and over again. So please, if you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you'll know when I put out another video. So as usual, I'll see you in the next video, and start creating something.